Arey, what are you eating? It's a saturated fat. It promotes weight gain. It's unhealthy. You said you're watching on your weight. Eating ghee is bad idea for weight loss.
Please stop it. We all have gone through this when we say we really want to lose weight. The marketing agencies, advertisement agencies register the fact in our mind that ghee is unhealthy, ghee is fattening, and one must not eat ghee if he really wants to lose weight. And because of all this, ghee has got an undesirable position in our Indian market. Obviously, this is not true. Then what is true? Let's find out. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you really like this video. Ghee is the richest culture we have. Many combinations of ghee we used to eat. Puran poli in Maharashtra, makke ki roti in Punjab, malpua in Haryana, dal bati churma in Rajasthan, mawa jalebi in Madhya Pradesh, khichdi in Odisha, litti choka in Bihar, mohanthal in Gujarat, Mysore pak in Karnataka, banana halwa in Kerala, and much more. It is mouth-watering, right? Obviously yes, then how it is unhealthy? Let's bust the myth one by one. We have 5,000 old wisdom of ghee.
Ghee is saturated fat.
Yes, ghee is saturated fat, but such a unique structure which is much smaller than commonly available saturated fat in a market. So ghee works on this stubborn fat in our body, cuts fat from other sections of body as well, which ultimately helps you in a weight loss.
Oh, really?
Yes, ghee is not fattening.
Ghee increases cholesterol.
It's not like that. Ghee reduces the cholesterol by increasing the contribution of lipids towards metabolism. Lipid is an organic compound that they contain fat, oil waxes, hormones, and its function is to store energy. Liver produces excess cholesterol under stress. So ghee helps us to de-stress, sleep better, and wake up fresher. So ghee doesn't increase cholesterol.
Oh, okay. Ghee is harmful for heart health.
It's not like that. Ghee is rich in antioxidant, fat-soluble vitamins like A, E, D, and K. All of the fat-soluble vitamins can actually be assimilated in your system every time you have ghee. Vitamin D, for example, it's linked to immune system. For eyes, vitamin A is good. Vitamin K is important for heart. So ghee has all things which is required for healthy heart. So ghee is not bad for your heart.
Oh, okay, I agree with you.
Now moving towards the things you might not know about ghee. Ghee has antibacterial properties which not only assure you recover from sickness but also assure you that you don't fall sick. Antioxidant present in the ghee works as anti-aging and anti-wrinkle than any cosmetic available in the market. Yes, ladies, ghee is for you. Ghee is excellent for joint health. Ghee takes nutrients from your food and register in your mind. Ghee improves your satiety signal and ensure that you eat right amount of food. Okay, enough of Jai of ghee, but must not eat too much of ghee. Include 1 tablespoon of ghee for breakfast, lunch and dinner. If you have sweet cravings, then include 1 extra tablespoon of ghee to your lunch. Being versatile in nature, you can also add ghee for your dal, tadka, paratha because adding ghee reduces the glycemic index of the food. What is glycemic index? High glycemic index lead to quick rise in blood sugar. Confusing? Okay, let me simplify for you. When you drink a whole bottle of Coca-Cola, then it will lead to quick rise in blood sugar level and high glycemic index food quickly converted into fat and stored in the form of fat in our body. That means no benefit for the body. Now moving towards traditional Indian old age practices. When we make laddu at home, we add ghee to the laddu. That actually reduces the glycemic index of the laddu, which leads to slowly and steady rise in the blood sugar. So addition of ghee makes the laddu low in glycemic index, which actually utilize in the form of energy rather than storing in the form of fat. So our every Indian sweet is incomplete without ghee because ghee completes the food for us. Ghee completes the sweet for us. Applying ghee on feet reduces gas and bloating. Feet are an important part of our body as many nerves terminate there. Applying ghee on soles helps to strengthen these nerves, reduces acidity, improves sleep, helps in fat loss, good for moods and skin tone. We can also apply it on skin and lips in winter. I usually use ghee as a moisturizer for my lips and face. Now moving towards which ghee is best. I would recommend you to make ghee at home only because here you can see everything in front of you. The commercial brands available in the market are not so good. So please don't go for that. And if it really not possible for you to make ghee at home, then I will provide you some brands which actually I used in the past. You can also go with that. So guys, this is all about ghee. Ghee is the greatest gift to India. So enjoy the goodness of ghee. I will suggest you to choose everything wisely. If you really like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram to know more about me. Till then, bye.